welcome to Sweet Pieces Inspirations. My name is Sydney and welcome to All Things Yarn Related, which is a vlog where I like to share with you guys what I'm currently working on and just give you guys some pattern release updates, whether that be patterns that have already been released or soon to be released, and anything that I have been working on behind the scenes. So I do want to welcome all new and returning subscribers. And if you are new here, I just want to briefly introduce myself. So I am a designer as far as knitting and crocheting goes. You can find my written patterns on Raverly, but I also have tutorials here on the channel. I process and spin fibers, and then I also weave as well. So those are just some things that you will find here on the channel. And I do have a few different platforms if you would like to check me out on those, and those will be listed down in the description box, but I'll go ahead and list them now. Let's go ahead and jump right into it, being that I've got the last 2 weeks to go over. So I had 2 written patterns released last weekend. The first one that you can see in the background is the Breath of Fresh Air crocheted poncho, wrap, Rowana, whatever you want to call it. It was released on Raverly, and you can get it for free right now, along with the crocheted grapevine shawl, which is very basic, quick to work up. Both of those are for free for right now. So what I do when I have intentions of selling a pattern is for a month I will let them run for free. And then anything after that month you will have to pay. And why I do that is because, for one, that gives you a chance to get my written pattern for free, but also to get some flow to my patterns as well. So I think up until May 22nd, you can get both of these for free. I'll have to check out the dates, but right now you can get them for free. So after completing both of those shawls, I needed something that was kind of quick to work up and something small. So I started working on a toddler crocheted beanie that will be in a tutorial form. So this is going to be the Cherry Blossom crocheted beanie. I still have to work on the pattern. I really haven't been wanting to record anything, so I'm very behind on patterns here lately. So this is going to be the Cherry Blossom crocheted toddler beanie, so look forward to that. Now I'm currently working on a new design, which is a knitted wrap. I know it is going to be released as a written pattern form, but I'm also thinking about doing a knit along. Now, if I do a knit along, you will also have the option to do or turn it into a scarf. For one, that gives you another option if you don't want to do a whole wrap, but also it'll kind of help me out as far as tutorials go. So this is the Twilight knitted wrap and what I have gotten done so far. I really don't have any more details other than that right now, but if you want to know more, please feel free to stay tuned and just kind of watch my update videos, and you will know a little bit more about what's going on or what's taking place with the wrap. And I'll try to update you guys as much as I can. Now, I also created a bookmark because I really needed something instead of just kind of bending the pages for a bookmark. I was getting tired of doing that and shouldn't really be doing that with the book. So I ended up making a bookmark. I do still have to weave in the ends, which I'm horrible about doing, but this is going to be in a tutorial form, and this is going to be called the Petunia bookmark. So something quick and easy to do. It took me like maybe 15 minutes to work up, so something quick and easy to work up if you are, at a doctor's office or just needing something quick. Everything else has been fiber related. I've been able to process a little bit more alpaca, which is up there on my shelf, so I don't have that right now to share with you guys. But I was also trying to grasp the concept of continuous roving a little bit more, and again, I was not successful, but I do have several strips of roving that I've gotten off of the drum carder. So here is a few of the pieces of roving here. But the most time consuming of these last 2 weeks, or actually several weeks, has been dyeing fiber. So I do have 2 more braids to share with you guys today. So here is the first one and here is the second one. That it has been my overall main concern these last 2 weeks. I do have something that I have in mind with these braids, and if you want to know a little bit more about what's going on there, please stay tuned. But that is it for me. I hope you all have a wonderful week. I hope you enjoy your weekend, and I will see you in the next video.